Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Thursday, August 1st, 2024, and right now it's pretty late. And the kind of going back, look at today's look at the market move, and if we look at the market last night, after the futures, after the hours, and then I guess 6 o'clock the futures open, and it actually it's acting very strong, and as we can see here, it pretty much it jump above this opening zone quickly, and indeed it's acting really kind of strong. It went up and until it stopped right around here, and if we look at this yellow dot line here, this is kind of an indication of this symmetric move from like using this level and from down here to up to here, and this is also getting to the edge of the energy field, and later came back down, and surprisingly it went down below this opening zone and even blew through it, and it went to the other side, and it sort of kind of finished like a symmetric move. From the energy field perspective, it basically moved from one edge to the other edge, and kind of stabilized here, and then moving back up, and it's getting pretty volatile kind of when it get into what is 8:30, and then later to the close, not to the close, to the open. And on this side, it may be easier to well, it's not going to be easy. I have too many lines here. So the market open, if we simply just looking at here, it become pretty bullish, and it actually make a new high, and as you can see here, it actually also gap up like over 15 points. So that's kind of like meaning really will be moving 28 points here, and actually 55.66, that's about what I recall is about like a 28 points like above the open, and I think that from the closing, no, it's more than that. It's from the open. So the open is like 53.37. Yeah. So it stopped right there, and from the energy field perspective, this also kind of like the sort of at the edge of the energy field, and later it came back down, and just surprisingly it's going below the opening center and below the opening zone, and it continuously going down, and blew through. I mean, it kind of stopped a little bit at the previous, like yesterday's close, but not long, and it continued down, and it's like the move is from going up like 28 points, almost 30 points, turning into giving back all of those, and then doubling that, and then doubling that, and eventually it went down to this like 54.10 level, and the market range yesterday is like a 50. It's a 57 and 76 points. So double of the range is like 115 points and 52. And today's from the open, not from the open, from the yesterday close to the low of the today, it dropped 111 points, close enough, and basically it's pretty much it's kind of double of the range of yesterday, and it's really unthinkable. And later, kind of like after that, it came back up. I mean, it's kind of daunting, kind of keep going down. And later it came back up, and it actually almost kind of get back to like, well, it's, let's see. Yeah, it actually went above like a 54.50. And unfortunately, was not able to close at that level. So that's also another important level, and eventually it closed at this 54.46 level. So apparently it's a very bearish, and I think that this is kind of really a shocker for everyone, being the fact that yesterday was yesterday it ran so strong, and I believe everyone believed the market kind of had a bottom recently, and it's had a bottom recently, and it's time to kind of going back up. But tonight, after the market opened, actually pretty quickly it went below this opening zone, and later it was not able to get above this the center of this opening zone. And yeah, it's a pretty chopping around here, and essentially, well, it's right now it kind of just dropped down by another notch, and this 54.21 actually it moved like a 40 points from 54.60 level, and that's so it's basically from the close of yesterday is like a moving almost like a 60 points already to this bottom. And I would say I believe tomorrow it will move at least 78 points ish, so we shall see. And non-farm payroll probably not going to be to be changing anything kind of materially. This could have something to do the need for the market have a correction, and also probably the Middle East, and also elections and all these politics things, and it's just quite complicated. But in aggregate, it seems like right now people don't feel safe. And a quick look at tomorrow's non-farm payroll. So tomorrow's calendar. So Friday, yeah, basically nothing until 8:30. That's our non-farm payroll. That's the most important one. And then 10 o'clock also have factory orders. And then it would be like a 1 o'clock. That's a Baker Hughes oil rig count. So, and then after the close, they also have total vehicle sales. Yeah, it's not that many, but it's very important. Like a non-farm payroll at 8:30. We'll see. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.